Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let's solve this question which is related to different diseases and their causative vector. So this is the question of CSIR 2023 morning shift. So first disease is chikungunya and chikungunya is primarily spread by the bite of the female Aedes mosquito. यानी ए का जो मैचिंग है वो फर्स्ट के साथ ही होगा. सो देखते हैं कि ए का फर्स्ट किस में है. सो ए का फर्स्ट जो है वो थर्ड ऑप्शन में है, फोर्थ ऑप्शन में, यानी कि ये दोनों ऑप्शन हमारे एलिमिनेट हो गए. सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट डिजीज इज लाइम डिजीज. सो लाइम डिजीज इज एन इन्फेक्शन दैट हैपन्स व्हेन एन इन्फेक्टेड टिक्स बाइट अ ह्यूमन. यानी कि इनका वेक्टर कौन होता है? टिक्स आर दी वेक्टर्स ऑफ लाइम डिजीज and the causative agent of the Lyme disease is a bacteria known as the Borrelia burgdorferi and the lymphatic filariasis. अब जैसे B का क्या हो गया? 4 हो गया, तो B का 4 किस ऑप्शन में है? हमारे ये दो पहले ही एलिमिनेट हो गए थे, तो B का 4 किस में है? सिर्फ फोर्थ में, यानी थर्ड भी एलिमिनेट हो गया. नाउ जो लिम्फेटिक फाइलेरियासिस है या जिसे हम एलिफेंटियासिस भी कहते हैं, उसका जो मोस्ट कॉमन वेक्टर है, द मोस्ट कॉमन वेक्टर इज एनोफिल्स मस्क्यूटो, यानी कि C का 2. नाउ फोर्थ डिजीज जो बचता है वो है स्किस्टोसोमियासिस एंड द वेक्टर फॉर इट इज एक्वेटिक स्नेल्स. यानी ये जो डिजीज है स्किस्टोसोमियासिस, इट इज अ वेक्टर बॉर्न डिजीज बेसिकली बाय द स्नेल्स, फ्रेश वाटर स्नेल्स. ये जो है वो डिजीज का जो पॉजिटिव एजेंट है वो कैरी करते हैं. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इस क्वेश्चन का क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन नंबर 4. ये 4 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन था सी सेक्शन का. सो आप देख सकते हैं कि इस टाइप के भी क्वेश्चन सी सेक्शन में आता है मैचिंग में. यानी ये एक इजी टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन था कि अगर आपको एक दो भी पता है तो आप पूरा का पूरा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो आज के इसी वीडियो में मैं और इससे रिलेटेड 2024 एग्जामिनेशन में क्या आ सकता है वो देखते हैं कि और कौन कौन से डिजीजेस पूछे जा सकते हैं CSIR के सी सेक्शन में या फिर बी सेक्शन में. सी सेक्शन में अगर आएगा तो मोस्ट कॉमनली वो मैचिंग फॉर्मेट में ही आएगा. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ दी ह्यूमन डिजीजेज विच आर कॉज्ड बाय दी वायरसेस. सो वायरसेस से होने वाले डिजीजेस को मैंने यहाँ पे लिस्ट आउट किया है. द फर्स्ट वन इज वेरिसेला जोस्टर वायरसेस. सो दी VZV, it means varicella zoster viruses are responsible or the causative agent of chickenpox. You have to write it down that which virus is causing which disease. Now the CMV is a cytomegalovirus. So the CMV is responsible for infection in infants and in immunocompromised patients. Now the third one is dengue virus, which is responsible for the hemorrhagic fever, and hepatitis A virus, which has the symptom of high fever and liver damage. Likewise, hepatitis B virus, which is related to the chronic liver damage, and then the HSV, that is herpes simplex virus type 2, which is responsible for genital ulcers, and influenza A and B viruses, which is responsible for the acute respiratory diseases, and the Japanese encephalitis, which is responsible for the disease encephalitis, which is related to the brain disorder. Now some more virus-borne diseases. Parainfluenza virus, which is responsible for the inflammation of the upper respiratory tract, and also the rabies virus, which is responsible for the, again, encephalitis. And apart from that, the respiratory syncytial virus, which causes infection in the upper and lower respiratory tract, and rotavirus, which is responsible for the acute infantile gastroenteritis, and yellow fever virus, which is the causative agent of the lesions in the kidney, heart and liver, and the HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus, which is responsible for the AIDS. Now some bacterial mediated diseases. The first one is Vibrio cholera, which is the causative agent of the disease cholera. यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चन अराइज होगा CSIR में, आइदर जो अराइज होगा वो causative agent पे या फिर इस पे अराइज हो सकता है which of the following is not a bacterial disease, which of the following is not a viral disease, which of the following is a parasite mediated disease. So likewise question can be framed from this topic. Now E. coli enterotoxin strains are responsible for different kind of diarrhea. The Neisseria gonorrhea is responsible for the gonorrhea disease. Haemophilus influenza is responsible for the meningitis and septicemic conditions in brain. And Mycobacterium is responsible for the leprosy disease. And this Neisseria meningitis is responsible for the meningitis, that is the inflammation of brain. Now, you can find out the disease by the species name also. Like the Mycobacterium leprae is responsible for the leprosy. Meningitis, Neisseria meningitis is responsible for the disease meningitis. Now the most common जो कि हर बार पूछा जाता है, Bordetella pertussis, which is the causative agent of whooping cough. Shigella is responsible for dysentery. Streptococcus group A is responsible for scarlet fever, rheumatic fever and throat infection. And this Streptococcus group B is responsible for sepsis as well as urogenital tract infection. And the Streptococcus pneumoniae is responsible for the pneumonia or meningitis. Clostridium tetani, so the name suggests tetanus is caused by this bacteria. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is responsible for the disease tuberculosis, and Salmonella enterica is responsible for the typhoid fever. Now some of the parasites which are responsible for different diseases. So Onchocerca volvulus is responsible for the river blindness. So in this disease river blindness, the most common symptoms are severe itching, disfiguring of the skin condition, and also the visual impairment, including the permanent blindness. So now the next common disease which is asked frequently is Leishmania species. So the Leishmania species are responsible for different kind of the internal and external lesions. That is, this protozoan parasite caused the disease Kala Azar, and this disease is refers to as the skin grayish or blackish discoloration during the infection. It means the skin turns grayish or blackish in color by the infection of this protozoa. And the Plasmodium, which is the very common disease malaria. Right now we have studied the schistosoma, so it is responsible for the schistosomiasis. And the Trypanosoma, which is responsible for the sleeping sickness. Wuchereria bancrofti, which is responsible for the filariasis. So these type of diseases can be frequently asked in the SET exam as well as the CSIR 2024 exam in the matching format. So I hope आज का वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो. Hit the like button and thank you so much for watching.